Over the past few months, I've actually managed to maintain over £150 monthly earned through Swagbucks while still maintaining a 9-to-5 job. In this video, I'll demonstrate the strategy I use so that you can maximize your earnings on the platform. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Side Hustle Alliance. On my channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Alright, let's talk about transforming your idle screen time into actual money with Swagbucks. As someone who's actually earned over £5,000 on the platform, and that is actually over 500,000 SB, I've actually been doing that whilst maintaining an office job from 9 to 5. I'm going to showcase how you can consistently earn above £150 every single month, and yet you won't need to sell your soul to any devil or anything.
I am evil Homer! I am evil Homer!
So first off, if you haven't signed up already, I've left a link in the description where you can get a 300 SB bonus once you've actually earned 300 SB on the platform, which should be fairly straightforward when following this strategy. Now let's actually get to the bread and butter of this ultimate Swagbucks guide. The to-do list is a daily checklist of 8 tasks that can earn you some easy bonus on completion. Try and max this out every single day to get some easy SB up to 10 SB per day. Alongside the to-do list, you'll see a daily goal. And with this goal, you need to try and actually achieve that every single day. And by following my strategy, you should be able to do that. And with that, you can actually gain bonuses on the 5th of the following month. Personally, see the daily target as a savings account. So you actually earn, you use a platform, and then you get rewarded for that from the platform, which is always a good thing. The daily poll. So this is the simplest way to earn on the platform. Literally go to the to-do list, click the daily poll, answer one question, it's one opinion, and then you're done. And you literally get 1 SB for that. It's like Twitter, but you actually get paid for your hot takes. Then head over to Alu's Revenge. So this is a free game on the site, you normally have to Google this. And it's a match 3 game, and you can actually get 6 SB every single day by doing this. The main strategy is to actually reach 3,000 points, and then you pause the game, you press exit, you wait 15 seconds, which is the perfect time to have a quick sip of coffee if you're fancying it, and then repeat. And you can do this for 6 times, and each time you actually complete 2 games, you'll earn 2 SB, maxing out at 6 SB daily. You can utilize Swagbucks as a search engine. All you really need to do is just make sure you actually just search on the platform, and you can earn up to 28 SB daily. To actually win on the searches though, you do need to search between 8 and 10 times, and you will have to have 15-second breaks between each search. But it's fairly straightforward and you can get yourself some easy money. So it's now time to talk about my expert knowledge, the gold surveys on the platform. So here's where you can get some serious money. First off, you need to focus on surveys paying at least 5 SB per minute. Your time is valuable.
Come on, let's go. Time is money.
What you need to do is you need to pick out the user tested and user Zoom surveys. These are always listed as the following on screen. So 20 SB for 5 minutes, 49 SB for 5 minutes, 79 SB for 20 minutes, 100 SB for 20 minutes, or 158 SB for 20 minutes. These surveys never take long to complete, and they normally take between 1 and 5 minutes to complete each study. And that means if you get the 158 SB survey and you complete it in 5 minutes, that means you could make literally nearly £15 an hour. The thing is, these surveys are so good, they come in thick and fast, and you need to jump on them as quickly as possible. And the way I do it is, I normally have 3 different survey sites open. So I have 5 surveys, I have Swagbucks, and I have Prolific. And what I do is, I alternate between all 3, and I constantly refresh every 2 minutes. I know that sounds very taxing, but these opportunities are so good, and I feel like you can make some easy money. You also need to keep your eyes out for 2 different providers as well on Swagbucks, which are Research Serve and My Take. These aren't easy to predict what they're going to be, but they're normally really high paying, and they normally pay that 5 SB per minute. I actually managed to make over £170 or $210 from Swagbucks in November just gone. And that was by prioritising the user Zoom, user testing, Research Serve and My Take surveys. They're really valuable, but they do go really quickly. So Swagbucks actually has a live game show.
Name something that makes a guy look sleazy.
Mustache,
which offers prizes up to $10,000. The only problem is, if you're based outside of the US, the time zones are very, very bad. Like in the UK, it's at 1 AM for the majority of the time. I can't attend that. But if you could, and you actually are available, I would definitely suggest joining the actual Reddit Swagbucks Discord server, as they actually share all the answers, so you can jump on that. And you can probably earn around 25 to 30 SB per quiz you actually take part in. Also, within the Swagbucks Live application, you can take part in a daily trivia app, which can be completed at any time during the day. And the more answers you get right, the more money you can earn on the Swagbucks trivia app. And if you actually complete a survey after you completed your first initial go, you get another chance to actually play that quiz, which means you can actually earn up to 20 SB per day. So let's talk about swag codes. So if you install the swag button, you should get around 100 SB sign up bonus. I've actually left a link in the description to that. And the catch is, There's daily codes available on Swagbucks which pay between 2 and 100 SB. And all you need to do is just check between 4 and 6 PM your local time, and then just search on the actual Swagco extension, and there you go, literally free money for pasting a code. So Swagbucks does actually offer a wide range of different survey panels. The one I really want to mention is CPX Research, which you can get to by navigating to Offers, Review, and then CPX Research. And these actually offer some high-paying surveys. And the thing I really want to mention is, if you get rejected from one of these surveys, you get 1 SB, which actually adds to your to-do list. If you really want to be smart with earning on Swagbucks, I would suggest running gold surveys and CPX surveys at the same time to maximize efficiency. You can earn up to 300 SB per surveys on CPX Research, offer walls, which actually offers you to earn some money by signing up to different websites or playing games. One thing to note though, I don't normally do that, but if you did want to find out which games are worthwhile for yourself, I would definitely suggest checking out the Swagbucks Reddit page. I would left a link in the description to that, and they normally suggest different games which are worthwhile doing based on experience of other users. Swaggo. This twice monthly bingo style promotion on Swagbucks offers up to 1000 SB for completing task patterns on the platform. All you need to do is actually watch out for the banner announcement and then try and complete the majority of squares on the actual bingo card for maximum earnings. On average, you'll earn at least a minimum of 25 SB from this, and the tasks are very simple to do, like visit certain websites using Swagbucks trackable links. So team challenges. So on Swagbucks, you can join the bi-monthly team challenges to actually earn cash out rebates up to 300 SB. All you literally need to do is sign up by clicking the banner and join the actual team challenge, and then just use the site as you normally would. And then you would get rewarded for it. It's that simple. Speaking of rebates, Swagbucks actually offers a birthday bonus. So on your birthday, they'll actually send you an email where you can get a 50 SB rebate on your next withdrawal, which is fantastic. All you need to do is make sure you read the email and you click add to your account, and there you go. It's like getting a birthday card and it's actually got money inside.
Oh, you shouldn't have.
Let's talk about the collector's bills on Swagbucks. So you can actually earn these collector bills by completing various activities on the platform, such as using it as a search engine, completing a daily trivia, or even just doing a survey. There's so many ways where you can collect these. Collecting all the actual collector bills will actually reward you with some bonus Swagbucks. But sadly, there is no way to know how to trigger them. It just happens randomly. And these are actually up to 20 SB in bonuses. Magic Receipts. So you can actually check a part of the site called Magic Receipts for any discounts on any shopping opportunities in your local area. If you buy certain products and then you scan the receipt, you will then get a rebate on that purchase, which is fantastic. If you do a lot of online shopping, Swagbucks actually does offer a cashback based system. So what I would suggest doing is compare rates from different cashback sites when making a purchase online, and I would always compare just to see which actually has the best return and cashback for my purchase. By doing this, I've actually managed to make over £2,500 in cashback across various platforms as of December 2024. Here's some bonus tips though of actually maximising more money online for 2025. First off, stack your earnings by combining methods. Sometimes I end up doing 2 or 3 surveys at once on 5 surveys, CPX and Swagbucks, mainly just so I can maximise my earnings and make sure that I am actually getting the most money I can in the time I'm actually allocating to doing surveys. I would actually suggest setting specific goals. So for me personally, I always say I want to earn at least 500 SB every single day, and with that I can actually invest that into the stock market as part of my I invest £5 a day video series. I would also suggest using your downtime efficiently, so lunch breaks are perfect for this. A lot of times surveys are really popping off between midday and 6 PM, so having that kind of availability really helps. One thing to note though is Swagbucks isn't about getting rich. It's about being smart and consistent with your earnings. With these methods, like I said, I can easily make at least £150 monthly with Swagbucks, which is totally achievable, even with a busy schedule that I have. If you actually manage to achieve £150 every single month, that's nearly £2,000 a year, which is actually 3 times the value of the first car I actually owned. And man, I love that car. If you do want any detail on these Swagbucks earning methods, let me know in the comments. I'll jump on and actually help you. Or if you're actually ready to start your journey, don't forget there is a link in the description to sign up for Swagbucks, where you can earn 300 SB bonus once you've actually earned 300 SB. On screen right now is my tuners videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account sign-ups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, TELUS, OneFormer, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.